Having something to believe in.
I guess you pray to God and you think about what you think for God and what God can do for you.
Well, worship just means time where I'm actually concentrating on things that I believe in. Believing in God.
Giving yourself to God and Jesus, whether you worship or not.
Good deeds, good works, good actions. That's worship.
It's a lifestyle. It has more to do with how you treat your work or interest in being in a big auditorium with 3,000 people and singing worship songs.
Pray to whatever you believe in.
It means freely giving yourself to God is what I think that worship means.
Material things.
Things that the parents that they like in life, paying
People, relationships, books, money.
Money, money.
the money was the things that are
Idolize other people.
people with fun and just anything that you feel like either provides them with an escape or provides them with just ways to elevate themselves from where they are.
John was saying that they get
Ahead of life.
The religion that we wear is a Hindu, and we're not overly religious, so I guess I won't spend too much time with that.
I would say I worship anything else besides God, but I really don't put a first in my life.
In relationships, I think it's just very common. Somebody showing me for that.
I worship a lot of things. Money, cars, rap music. I was raised on MTV, and those are the things that I've been told to worship.
Well, I'm not to worship in time, really.